Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01738 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So here you can see that I am having one table called person file, contains two columns, name and age. So I am executing the query log table person file. So here you can see that ORA-01738 missing in keyword error is thrown, which means that log table SQL statement is incomplete. So I am completing this statement. Log table person file in exclusive mode. So this is the valid SQL query to log the table. So otherwise this ORA-01738 error will thrown, that is in keyword is not found means this error will be thrown.